Welcome back to another video. In this video we are gonna do the first part of our moving step, which is preparing this wall. And we were in such a huge rush whenever we painted this wall that we did one layer and we used the wrong clear coat. We used that water-based one, which means all this yellow stuff that came through. This is from like being burnt, the bricks being used for as a chimney. This I think was a heater wall at some point in its life, so it means that it just comes through and you need to clear coat it with a hardcore chemical so it doesn't come through again. I think that's the best way. That's what we have done in this living room and it has worked. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get started with that. So let's actually move the bed aside and remove the lights and clear coat it.
And while we're gonna be lacking that wall and painting it, we decided also to do this wall. As we have said, this wall is a heating wall, and on top there, well, don't mind the back thing, that's gonna be a video on its own, a mess. But we do have to also clear coat some of the top parts. So let's get started with clear coating. We already have done that, so let's see those clips and then get on with painting.
May I ask what you have done with that light? Why
This was like an experiment to see if that makes it better.
It does not make it better.
It was a failed experiment.
I think that looks much better than that creation.
I want new, so I'm going away with these anyways.
Not take off the paper. It's ready for the next painting. Pre-taped. We did not untape it is because we also hadn't untaped this one, as far as you remember, because we wanted to do a second layer when my mom was here, but then we did not want to do the clear coat while she was living in here because it's really smelly.
Yeah.
So we never did it. And we actually, fun fact, when did we remove the paper thing? In summer before she came, wasn't it?
Maybe.
We left it for that long, and that's why we never removed those papers, because we were always wanting to come back. Yeah, well, guess what? We never did. But now it's the time that we come back to it and make it beautiful. There's always the perfect moment.
So it is finished. We have finished lacking it, and tomorrow we are gonna paint it. Hopefully it's gonna be dry by tomorrow. We're gonna wait the time that they say for the next layer, which in theory our next layer is not the same thing. It's gonna be white paint, and this is gonna prevent this browning from coming through. There's no really other way. We have tried primer, we have tried everything, and this is the only option that stops it. Klarlac, which is just clear lac.
It's like both lac,
Yeah,
it's like really
it's
thick.
very thick, very strong. It's not natural at all. It's not water-based, nothing. It is just purely stopping this from coming through because nothing will otherwise stop it. But yeah, see you tomorrow whenever we're painting it.
That paper has been used like small amount of time. We really are reusing those papers to their max. Perfect.
So we have 3 days later since the last clips you saw, which was clear coating the things that we wanted to clear coat, and they are completely dry. So what we're going to be painting besides that wall is super simple, super quick. We're just going to go over it. That's why we decided to also go and paint something else in this room, since this room now is going to be our room and we can decide what we want painted. We're not going to paint the whole wall. We are going to pretty much paint anything but the heating wall. So we're going to go this whole thing all the way up and then all the way till here, the whole top, and the same thing door and behind the door. So we're gonna leave, we could theoretically paint it, the other side is painted so it wouldn't harm it, but I think for now I think we like it.
It's nice brickwork, yeah.
It's a nice brick, and I really like this black one here. I know it's kind of like really standing out. It's like a lot of colors, and if we ever get sick of it, we can always get on and paint it. As you see, we are nearly 5 years here and we're slowly getting to paint. I feel like this year is ending off with a lot of painting, but it's also really nice, really exciting, freshening up before the year ends. And yeah, so let's get on and paint quickly this one, and then we come over here.
So from one painting room to the next one. So we decided to remove the headrest so we have more space, and anyways we will need to swap them. So might as well do it now. Plus we're gonna bring them to the barn to blow them with a compressor, but tomorrow because now it's dark.
Easy peasy, lemon and squeezy.
Let's get that ugliness gone.
Yeah. Soft.
Wow, that was much needed. So that wall is done, looks definitely better than before, and onto this wall, which I don't know how much roller we can do. I think it's gonna be mostly brushing. And since the day we took away the closet, the heat amount that is coming off
It's
it
triple.
is insane. Like we were just
The
like,
closet was holding a lot of it off.
and we just ate food, and I would like just literally lay here because the heat is like so nice that I just want to sleep. Because we've already been painting like the hallway. By the time you see this video, hallway is painted.
But it's the same day.
But it's the same day, and we still have another thing to paint. I'm just doing all the painting in one day.
Yeah.
So it's ridiculous, the heat.
Oh,
like I'm
I think I need
standing-
to get naked. Really.
It's really hot, isn't it? That thing is magic.
Yeah.
We should get one day.
Plus all our radiators are hot.
That
That's
is as hot as a radiator almost.
But a bit bigger. And it holds the heat for long because it's a mass.
I love it.
Like different types of video.
I hope it does not look too stupid.
No, going back, I'm already...
No. The white that we're painting is that this cutout is gonna exist, but we'll see how we like it once everything is painted. We're gonna tape it.
That I would like tape, yeah.
So we have finished also this wall, and that will pretty much with it only, well, not only but mostly with brush. And I also forgot to say that this wall was primered. We had primered it. I tried to film it. I'll put a clip. It is shining a bit because it was a glossy one. So yeah, that's why there was nothing falling off, nor so it was already pre-primered. And yeah,
multiple layers as well.
Multiple layers as well because it was kept falling off. I think we did like 2 layers. So yeah, that's why it worked on pretty easily. And up there, all of that was clear coated because of the black. So let's now try to remove the tape, I guess.
Yeah.
And hope we at the start did not put a tape because we thought we don't do it. Let's see. I got also my fingers dirty because I was trying to hold it down so it doesn't go behind. That's why I have this nice manicure. This is the most amazing wall we've ever done.
Pretty good, yeah.
That is awesome. Because usually it goes behind the brush goes behind the tape. And
let's see my work.
Oh, so far so good.
It's not that bad.
It's actually pretty good.
As I've taped it as it does.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Because usually whenever we tape it, the brush gets behind.
Yeah,
so
creates splashes. No, it actually did none almost.
And you have to go really crazy with it. As you saw, we were like crazy cause
to get all the holes, yeah.
To get it all over it. Pretty good, pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Do we like?
Yeah, it looks
pretty good.
Not that bad.
Not that bad, not that bad. But it's okay, that's behind the door. That's something you never really see.
Not the worst.
No, pretty good. Perfect. So that's pretty much it with this video. We painted another wall in the room, but I think we are stopping here. I definitely don't want to paint more walls, but I think this that we did, this kind of like a T, brings out this wall really nicely because the walls around it were really patched with cement. They were really destroyed, so it brings it out like a nice painting, kind of the heated wall.
And yeah, we're gonna address the back ugly situation another time. In the next video, actually, you're gonna see us hopefully moving in here, like we're gonna do the moving and maybe also sleep for the first time. I don't know if tomorrow or the day after. The day after my mom is coming, so it might be the first time for both of us sleeping in switched rooms. So yeah, make sure to subscribe if you haven't so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. And I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow once we move in here.